Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. What is a hairline transplant? Is it a hairline lowering procedure? Is it going ahead and recreating a new hairline? Here at Natural Transplants, we notice a lot of our patients have a gradual receding hairline. Or if you have traction alopecia, you've gradually pulled out the hair follicles and it gradually receded backwards. So here, what we do is we recreate a new frontal hairline for you to your liking. We give suggestions, we give recommendations, we give our 2 cents regarding where your hairline should be. Now obviously, if a patient comes in and asks for their hairline to be within the expression lines, or what I call the wrinkles, then yes, I tell them that's probably a little bit too low. Try to stay ahead or above your expression lines. But here we recreate a new frontal hairline that fits your facial features. So when you are looking at why your hairline is gradually receding, consider what you can do to prevent your hairline from receding backwards. Number one, are you doing tight hairstyles? Is it medications that you're on? But also go ahead and make sure you try to prevent further recession by whether medications that you can use, vitamins that you can take. But if you have already receded hairline and you're looking to refine your frontal facial features, call us here at Natural Transplants. We'll go ahead and recreate a new frontal hairline for you.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.